Fluid shelf technology also makes Thermodyne cabinets an easy choice for your slow cooking or rethermalizing needs. Imagine this. Slow cook your prime rib in a Thermodyne to medium rare, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and serve it that way all day long. Again, with Thermodyne's fluid shelf technology, your foods are never exposed to temperatures 1 degree above or below your desired set point. This means it's literally impossible for your prime rib to ever exceed medium rare, if that's what you desire. Furthermore, your first and last customer of the evening will enjoy the same great taste. Thermodyne cabinets are also great for rethermalizing chilled or frozen products back to safe serving temperatures. Our gentle method of heat transfer allows food to retain its natural taste and appearance as it reconstitutes.